everyone, I'll show you the replacement method for the aftermarket DQ200 PCB today. First, we need to prepare a flathead screwdriver, a hammer, soldering tin, thermal grease, jelly glue, and the tools to apply it, a soldering station, and the DQ200 PCB. Next, remove all the silver wires from the original board. Then use the flathead screwdriver and hammer. To remove the ceramic base plate, the ceramic plate is now fully removed. Next, thoroughly clean the removed ceramic plate. Also, remove the original thermal grease paste. The method for applying thermal grease is the same for the DQ250. Make sure to apply it evenly. Now the thermal grease is applied. Attach the DQ200 PCB to the ECU's baseplate. When placing it down, you can use tweezers to position the board on the base plate. Next, start soldering. First, apply a layer of soldering to the connecting wires. Now the first connection wire is soldered. Repeat the same process for each subsequent wiring. The purpose of adding this kind of glue is to prevent oxidation and corrosion of the TCU's electronic components and wires. We finished using the jelly glue, so we've completed this repair. We just need to clone like a normal DQ200 unit with flex or similar. You can find these boards and much more at mysupercarexpert.com.